Hey guys, well, I ended up alongside the match. I accidentally started the match and I so got mad because of that. I'm probably just gonna continue this. Anyways, you usually know that many people are OP in this game, but I'm okay with that. Anyways, another thing is, I love this game. It's that. Oh my goodness, it's happening. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't know that actually works. Yes, grab it. It's not good. Trunks changes stuff, right? This one does. The purple one, my intelligence one. Is that even my intelligence one? Oh yeah, my intelligence one obviously does that. Since his intelligence unit. Let's see if I'm holding it. You can tell I'm holding it because usually, sometimes, Trunks. Oh no, why was I talking about Trunks? I swear I was gonna talk about something else. Just gotta make my memories flood back. Yeah, I really don't remember. But it's gonna lower the volume. Oh my god. I'm using another phone. This causes my global version of Dokkan Battle to lag. Crap, can't do anything about it. Oh yeah, I can. Wow, look how smooth it is because I'm recording like this. It's just like, oh my god. I end up being like a fashion girl, all of a sudden I transform into one and then I'm just like, yeah. What do you think makes you cringe? Obviously think life makes me cringe. I don't know why, but it makes me cringe nearly all the time. I'm probably gonna leave my phone on for like 500 years. You know, the GT Goku I have is nearly as strong as the Goku that this is from my that uses it. Like, Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken Goku. And you just read that person in the face. Man, it's gotta hurt. I didn't even get her, that's intelligent. For an intelligence unit? I don't even know why it's cracked my bones. I just love cracking my bones. It's like I'm cracking a joke. I don't know if I should add face cam or whether it's gonna cover a screen. I don't know if you can do size of face cam, but I'm fine with a really small one. Just wait a while, I'm just gonna be right back. Okay, I'm back. Just gonna see if it's recording. Good. I'm just back in the way Berta died on this animation. He looks so weird. He like, actually I'm not gonna name friends because I don't have any. So right now, this is my team. Right now, I'm sort of impressed in it. Most of them have like a gold name, so I'm fine with that. And I wish I had like that Super Saiyan 3 Goku. Not that Super Saiyan 1, this one, from the Dragon Carnival, but I don't really have good progress on my global version, but I have a Super Saiyan God Goku in my global version, and I love that globe, and I have that God, and I like that God Goku. This is the 17th in the banner, but he's only an SR, so can't do anything about it, it's not my fault. You can't fix that, I'm done. So this Trunks only needs like 9 Gyros, then he's done. But, I don't know, man. But he only needs like 9 more Gyros, and then he's done. And then he's gonna become an SSR. Super special rare. Wait, is that even the name? Super special rare? This is the bobble points. This is the, what do you call it? Zenny. Yeah, this is Zenny. You get this Giro for Zenny. You get 5, I think. Yeah, you get 5. 5 for each. That's good. And now for stones, I forgot what you call them. Like these type of stones. That allow you to thing. Holy crap! They give you like a freaking Super Saiyan 2 Gohan instantly? Oh my god, this is to upgrade your stuff to LR. That's amazing. Dude, how do you get this stuff? How? I think I got one for free. I don't remember. But I think I got one for free. I guess I'll just see you on Global I'm just after this. I'll just stop recording and make sure I just save enough time and space. My eyes hurt. Oh crap. Yep. Now Xena, pause and I'll see you on Global. I can't really judge about this, but in Japanese, Cell has purple eyes in Japanese. And non-Japanese, in Global, he has purple eyes. And in Japanese, he has white eyes for some reason. I think it's because they accidentally got rid of his eyes. I remember his eyes in the anime being pink. I just remember it like that. You guys saw my God Goku, didn't you? Well, he's my strongest unit yet. Like, again, I didn't want to get my face cam to get wrecked. Oh, frick. Hidden potential and see, like, I have more SSR. You see this? This is meant to be an April Fool's joke. You see, this is meant to be Gohan. This is meant to be Trunks. This is meant to be Goku. This is meant to be Vegeta. And it's all just an April Fool's joke, and I still have the Cyberman. And freaking I kept him because my team sucked. He's even better than one of my units, like Yamcha. Did I swept him in Yamcha? I don't remember, but hell happens. For hell. I don't mean hell, but hell. I'm just gonna go get a tissue. I'll be right back. It seems that 150 global. What's the DL mean again? Yeah, I just wait, what? What? No. How do you get this? How do you get this? How? How do you get this? Probably it's from an event. We'll see. 150 global DLs. I don't even know what the DL means yet. Delete, that's it. Ducks. Yes, they're ducks. Oh my gosh, it's ducks. It is absolutely ducks. Be right back again. The world's gonna end. I don't know why it would, but I just know it would. Yay! Why am I so happy? Well, I'm happy because life. But what? 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 Just what? What? Okay, I'm sorry. It's like spinach. What the frick? That sounds like spinach. Karoli? I have to defeat Karoli. Who's Karoli? Pinich and Tekka. What in the world? Dude, please. Please. Holy crap. You need that much? Wow. I thought that would be more. Okay. I guess I'll just leave this. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm just trying to end the video right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll have to see you later. Goodbye.